6 foods that make you very old. Avoid them. As we grow older, the signs of aging become present at all levels, but not in all people they manifest the same. There are 2 places where aging is most evident, as they are more visible: the skin and teeth, but our diet can accelerate or delay the onset of these. Although it is impossible to completely avoid the appearance of wrinkles or decay, we can make an effort to keep our skin and teeth in good health and, therefore, look younger. To keep our skin healthy and shiny, and our teeth white and in place, it is not enough to use creams and dentifrices. We need to take care of our food as well as our way of life. What we eat affects our skin and teeth in a decisive way, and, although the occasional consumption of one or other food does not have a significant impact, we will notice a clear rejuvenation when maintaining a healthy diet together. These are the 6 foods you should avoid if you want to look much younger. 1. Sweets. The excessive consumption of sugar causes in our body a process known as glycation, directly related to aging. When you eat more sugar than you can process, it combines with proteins, creating advanced glycation products that, among other harmful effects, damage collagen skin, the protein that keeps it firm and healthy. 2. Alcohol. A healthy liver guarantees healthy skin. When your liver works well, toxins that could harm your skin are naturally expelled, explains Dr. Ariel Osted, a member of the American Academy of Dermatology and Health magazine. 3. White wine. Although white wine falls into the category alcohol, it deserves a separate space because of the especially harmful that is with our teeth. Although the red wine leaves our mouth purple, white is much worse for our teeth, because the acids it contains greatly damage the enamel and make us more easily develop spots. 4. Carbonized meat. Doctors have warned on numerous occasions of the danger of the substances that are formed in the meat when we cook it to high temperatures, in barbecues and grills. That carbonized part of the bacon, besides being carcinogenic, can negatively affect our skin. This does not mean that to have healthy skin you have to stop going to barbecues, but avoid eating these charred parts, which damage the collagen. 5. Salty foods. 6. Processed meat.